Easter's coming. Easter's today. It's Easter. Why did my mom wake me up? Isn't it a school day? It doesn't matter. Okay, let's just go to the bathroom. Let's go to the bathroom. I gotta go pee. Yay. After that. Ew, what happened to my face? I gotta brush my teeth. But where is it? Oh my mom is always keeping it in her bathroom. Ooh, and the brush. Okay. Let's just brush my teeth. Ew. That's more better. Oh, now I've got to brush my hair, right? It's Easter. I have to brush my hair. Okay. Okay. Brush, 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 brush. Done! That's more better. Okay. Now, my mom better be down there. She's not? What's your problem? Oh, okay, I see. She left a note. Let me read. It says, Dear Doctor, I'm on a business trip. 'Cause I got a lot of stuff to do at work. See you in a month. Bye. She's not really big, but she does have a car. I'm in high school, but I haven't did my driver's test or something. But I suppose I just get ready and walk to school. Ugh. Yee. Let me close the blinds and this works. Oh, this will work. Oh, my backpack. Seriously? Ugh. My backpack. Where's my backpack again? Oh yeah, in the storage area. We did it. 4-4. Got it. Now let's go to school. I'm so late. Okay. You must be a student. Oh. Doesn't matter. I'll just sign these papers. My books. Okay, my books and oh my god, where is it? Oh god. Okay, I'm like super late to my first class. Today we're gonna have the one perform here. When did we have a singer perform here? Anyways, I guess no one's in that class. I guess it's English? Oh my god, who put 4 plus 4? I gotta erase that. Okay. This is my seat. Oh, look who walks in. That's Bully. I can't wait for her to come. Hey, what's up with the outfit? It's literally summer outside. You shouldn't be wearing pants and longs. Well, I can wear whatever I want today. And I'm actually wearing shorts. And I see you come in with the same outfit as me. You have shorts too and gym shoes. The same gym shoes as me. But we don't have the same shirt because you're wearing a dress. Unusual. Oh my god, is that sun? Yikes. Oh, I also saw that Sun is going to be performing today. Ay, ay, ay. I don't get this. Oh, Star? That's my favorite. She's my favorite. I never been friends with her, so I'm excited to go meet her. Bye-bye. Ow! Star, I'm a big fan. Star. Oh, I mean, what am I talking about? Whatever. I'm late for class. I have to go past her. Yikes. It's not Star, it's Sun. Oh, anyways, is she supposed to be here? She's probably late. Oh yeah, of course she's always late. Get to work. Quiet, everyone. You should be paying attention to. You should say, I was a little lad staying at a motel. You know what I mean, right? You know what I mean. Yikes.
That's in here. That's not.
I was a lamb staying at a hotel. What does he mean? Finally, school's out.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, let's just put away my books. Okay, let's go ahead and get my backpack. And let's go. Oh, I forgot. I do driving lessons today. They're gonna come to my house. So that means trouble. Okay. Let's go in. Ow, I hit the door in my face. I can't get up. Usually problems like this don't happen all the time. Well, they should be coming to my house any second. Any second. Oh, they're here. Finally. Hello, everyone here. I'm here for, driver's license. Hello? I already see someone. Anyways, you're gonna be doing your driver's license thing. Let me just go get the car. Okay, 1 day and 32. OMG, that car's so great! Eek! Okay, let me just drive it. Ah! Okay. Okay. Good at driving. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Whoa. I almost hit someone. Whoa. Okay, green light. No, not backwards. Okay, straight. I almost bumped into her.
Just relax and enjoy.
Whoa. Okay. Now let's go inside.
Açaí!
How's that? Oh, sorry about that. Okay, you did amazing, good parking, and you just did really great. Oh, and sorry, I just changed my hair. Yeah, so, yeah, here is your driver's license. Here you go, man. Eek, thank you so much. Eek, eek, eek. Oh my god, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Ah, okay. Oh my god, it made me go in the house. Hey! Hope no one's trying to break in my house. Okay, let me just, I am going to drive my car to get used to it. Okay, let's go. I think I'm gonna go get ice cream. I mean, I love ice cream. And also, it's gonna be a nice congratulations that I actually got my car. Oh, OMG, and she actually let me keep it. This is like the newest car ever. Like, ever made. Got to make sure my car locked, and it is. Oh, not car shopping. Yikes. It's going to go get ice cream. My congratulations. Can I have birthday cake? I love the birthday cake. Yummy. Who's that? Uh-oh, I hope she's not stalking me. Whatever. People are always asking this. No. It's a nice day. This is the best day ever. Even it's actually the weekend. Best day ever. Ooh, I wish I could play in the pool, but my mom won't let me when she's gone. Let's watch the news. Nothing really important. Anyways, I guess I should probably just go outside.